Dear students, this is Abhishek Rokde from mathematics lecturer from Annapurneshwari PU College, Patankodi. Dear students, today I am going to teach you that how to do the matrix multiplication when we have two matrices, three matrices, or the four matrices. Okay, and in the previous class already we have been studied that the operation of the matrices like addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication. Okay, so what are the method to be followed in the matrix multiplication? Because in the addition, subtraction, there are, and equality, we have all the same concepts that both matrices order should be the same. But in the matrix multiplication, we have to follow some method. If we follow the method, then only we can do the multiplication between the two matrices. Very simple. Okay, the method first we have to check whether those matrices are applicable for the matrix multiplication or not. Okay, the method is what here they have given. If matrix A has a M cross P order, that order we don't know how many rows and how many columns are there, and another matrix B has P cross N. Even the matrix B is how many rows and how many columns are having, that also we doesn't know. Okay. The next thing is what? When we do the multiplication between the two matrices, then what we get here is the matrix order is M into N. How it is possible? So look here. If matrix A has M cross P order, M cross P, number of rows and number of columns. M is number of rows, P is number of columns. Matrix B is having P number of rows and N number of columns. Then after multiplication A cross B, we get M into N order, because here the matrix A is having the how many number of columns and matrix B is having the how many number of rows. Both should be the same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸು, ಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು 3 ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು 3 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು 2 ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು 2 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು 1 ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, like if it is P is having 1 and this P is having a 2, P means both are having the same letter, it means both should be the same. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Like this also, when we cancel P, both same the P, then what remains here, the order of matrix is, at the last we get M into N order. So this method you have to be follow while doing for the what, the matrix multiplication. This is a very important concept that you are going to be learn now, because this concept is for the what, the 5 marks in the examination. Even though some for the 3 marks they will ask some basic multiplication between the two matrices sometimes, but at the 5 marks definitely they are going to be asked the matrix multiplication 5 marks. Now basically we are going to learn, so which matrices are going to be applicable for the matrix multiplication. So basic thing, this is just to verify that whether both matrices are applicable for the multiplication or not. That first we have to check it. Okay, because some students does fail whenever they are going to do for the matrix multiplication. The basic, this thing we should have to learn properly. Okay, to check which matrices are applicable for the matrix multiplication, first we will check. Okay, a matrix A is having 2 into 3 order and matrix B is having 2 into 4 order. So look here, I have been written 2 into 3, 2 into 4. Okay, so if I written here 2 into 3, this is the matrix order A, into B is having a 2 into 4. So already I told you that here the matrix A, the number of columns, and the matrix B, the number of rows should be the same. If both are not same, then it is not been applicable for the matrix multiplication. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? The number of columns of matrix A and the number of rows of matrix B. If both are having the same, then only it is applicable for the matrix multiplication. Got it? So it is not applicable here because both are the different. M into P, P into N. Both P should be the same. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುವಲ್ಲು ನಮಗೆ ನಡೀತೈತೆ. ಎಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುವಲ್ತು, ಎನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುವಲ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so one more example I will take here. A matrix A is having a 3 into 2 order and matrix B is having a 2 into 4 order. So here I have been written matrix A is 3 into 2, matrix B is 2 into 4. Here both P should be the same. Yes, then it is applicable for the matrix multiplication. And after A into B, how many? What is the matrix order then it will be? That is 3 into 4. At the last what we get? After doing the multiplication, we get the matrix order is 3 into 4. Now only we are going to learn is what? That which matrices are going to be applicable for the multiplication. Got it? The next one is having, if one more, the matrix I will take. Yes, matrix is having a order 1 into 2 and matrix P is having a 2 into 1 order. We will check whether these two matrices are applicable for the matrix multiplication or not. If a matrix S is 1 into 2 and a matrix B P in 2 into 1, yes, so now we can cancel easily. Then it is applicable. That at last what we get, that is S into P is having a order is what? 1 into 1 order. If I take the matrix M is having a 2 into 2 order. 2 into 2 order means it is a square matrix because the number of rows and the number of columns should be the same. And matrix N also I have been taken it as what? The number of rows, that is 2 into 2, number of rows and number of columns should be the same. Then whether it is applicable for the matrix order or not. If both matrices are having the same number of orders, then it is applicable for the matrix multiplication, like 2 into 2 order into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into order into 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 order into 4 into 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ? At the last, that M into N is having again what? We are getting the 2 into 2 order. This is what that we have to be verify, that which matrices are going to be applicable for the matrix order, matrix multiplication. Got it? Okay. So now we are going to learn that how to do the matrix multiplication between the square matrices, between the two square matrices. So square matrices under order nimge gottaiತಿ, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. These are also very important. First we are going to learn is about the what the matrix order is having. So this matrix is having how many rows, how many columns? 2 rows, 2 columns. This is having a 2 into 2. We have to check whether it is applicable for the matrix multiplication or not. That you should know it very well. And this matrix B is also how many rows and how many columns are have? That is 1 row, second row. This is 2 rows, 2 columns. Correct? Yeah. Now here both these orders should be the same. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಅವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Then at the last again we are getting the matrix multiplication order is at the last 2 into 2 ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, so now how to do the matrix multiplication is very important. So here we are using the RC method. RC method means R means row, C means column, C means that is column, or else you can been remembered by our favorite cricket team like Royal Challenge. So that is RC. So RC means the R is at the first row, C at the second, C at the second matrix, R as the first matrix, C as the second matrix. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, R ಅಂದ್ರೆ from we are taking the elements all the elements of the first matrix as the row wise elements and the second matrix as the column wise elements. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಐತ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಂದ ತಗೋದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಂದ ತಗೋದು. So look here how to do this one. So already I have been written here the elements. First I am taking the first row from the matrix A and first column from the matrix B. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಬಿ ಎ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಉಲ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1 ಇಂಟು 5 -1 ಇಂಟು 5 ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನಾನು ಎರಡನೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A11 ಇಂಟು B11 ದೆನ್ A12 ದೆನ್ B21. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು -5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 3. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದ್ನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಈ ರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ -1 ಇಂಟು -6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 9. ಸೊ ನನಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮುಗೀತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬನ್ನೀಗ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋದು ಮುಗೀತು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇಂಟು 5. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಾಗ ಐತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 ಇಂಟು -6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 9. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ರೋ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್. ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೇನೆ. ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಯಾವ ಇದಾವೆ, -1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2. ಸೊ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ 5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ -1 ಇಂಟು 5 -1 ಇಂಟು 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ದು ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, -1 ಇಂಟು -6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 9. ನನಗೇನು ಮುಗೀತು ಇವಾಗ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು 5 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಇಂಟು -6 second element plus 4 into 9. Okay, now after doing the calculation, -1 into 5 is -5, 2 into 3 is 6. Next is having what, -1 into -6 is +6, then plus 2 into 9 is 18. The next is having what, that is 0 into 5, that is 0, plus 4 into 3 is 12. So this one is 0 into -6 is 0, 4 into 9 is, that is 36. So what is a -5 plus 6 is, that is +1. What is a 6 plus 18 is 24. Then what is a 0 plus 12 is 12. What is a 0 plus 36 is, that is a 36. So at the final we are getting the matrix order is what, 2 into 2. Already I told you that after the multiplication we are getting the matrix order is 2 into 2. So this is how the method we have to do for the what, the matrix multiplication. So I will solve one more example which is having again what, 2 into 2 matrix order. The one more example that is having a 2 cross 2 order. both matrix are having the 2 cross 2 order. Okay, so here I have been taken the matrix A is having 5 minus 6 4 2, matrix B is having 1 0 0 minus 1. So first we have to be verify whether these both matrices are applicable for the what, the matrix multiplication or not. So already I have been written the matrix A is having 2 into 2 order and matrix B is also 2 into 2 order. Yes, here the both are having the same. This, if these both two are having the same, then at the final we are getting the matrix order is again 2 into 2 because we are cancelling these two. Okay, then here I have been written A into B. Nodri yavaglu baribekadra that you should have to give attention when you are going to be multiplication. Here A into B I have been written. Matrix A means this one into I kept here. Matrix B means this here. Ille mat A mat B barak hogbadi. Don't write beside this matrix as A and beside this matrix as the B. Then it takes again the another meaning. Got it? It takes what again? The another meaning. So that's why what you have to do now, however I have been written like that, you have to be follow. So look here, matrix A here and into here, matrix B is here. So look here, at the first also I have been written the same. Matrix A illi baradni into illitni, matrix B is here. Beside this don't write like again A into this and into B into this, that will be wrong. Got it? So like that you have to be follow. Okay, so I have been written matrix A and matrix B here. So already I told you that we have to follow again the RC method. The R means the row wise from the first matrix and column wise as the second matrix. Okay, again first row first column we have to multiply, that is first element with the first element, 5 into 1. Then for the second element you have to keep the plus, plus minus 6 into 0. This is first row first column I entered here. Next first row second column. Nodi last column tana irtava, last row illi hinga multiply akonta hogtೈತಿ. Okay, again first row second column, 5 into 0, first element with the first element, then plus minus 6 into minus 1. This is first row second column element. So this one is over. First row first column, first row second. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 column ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು column multiply, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು column add ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay, because this is what the both are having the same matrix order 2 into 2. Okay, now the first row first column second column is over. Next ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿ ಬರಿಬಾರದು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕಾ, because we have the first row first column first row second column here. Got it? The next thing is what now, here this one is operation is over. Next second row first column, second row ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ second row ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನಾಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? The next one is about the what? Second row. Second row means we come to the second row. This is first row, this is the second row. This is a first column, this is a second column. Got it? Okay. Second row first column. Second row means here the entries are should be in the first column means here. Okay. That is 4 first element with the first element. 4 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Second row first column. This is second row here. Second row first column. Second row second column. 4 into 0. Then for the second element plus 2 into minus 1. Okay, so after the multiplication what we are going to get? 5 into 1 is 5 plus minus 6 into 0 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0 plus minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So at the last what we get again? The matrix order is 2 into 2. So this is how we have to do for the what? The matrix multiplication between the matrix order having the same. The next one is about the what? The next is having, we have the multiplication between the two matrices are having the same. The square matrices are having the 3 into 3 orders. If a matrix A is having the 3 into 3, the same number of rows and the same number of columns, and the matrix B is having a same number of columns. Now it is whether it is applicable for the matrix multiplication or not, that we have to check. 3 into 3 of A and 3 into 3 of matrix B, then it is applicable or not. If both are having the same, at the last we are getting the matrix order is, that is 3 into 3, then it is applicable for the what? The matrix multiplication. Got it? So here already I have been written here the what? Matrix A elements. No, A into B baradni multiplication madathavi. A into B have to be right. The matrix A should be here, and into sign matrix B is here. Okay. So again, how to do for the what? The matrix multiplication. At the last we are getting how many rows and how many columns? There are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows have been written here. 3 columns means 1, 2, 3 here I have been written. Okay. That is the first. Already we have to follow what? The RC method here. The rows from the first matrix, column from the second matrix. That is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Mugiti illige end aaytu. That is first row, first column, first row, first column multiplication we have to do here. Okay. First row, first column means how the elements we are going to be right. That is 2 into minus 1. Next plus second element bandunda plus 5 into 0. First element with the first element plus second element with the second element plus third element with the third element. I haven't written 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 0 into 8. This is first row, first column. Look here. This is the first row, first column entry I written here. Next is about the what? First row, second directly ma second row barak hogbadri. First row elli tana columns idavalla alli tana multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Got it? That is first row, second column, that is 2 first element with the first element, 2 into 0. Next plus 5 into 5 plus 0 into 1. That is first row, second column entries are here. Nodri second column nag barni entries are first row ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂದ್ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 2. I'm sorry, this is 2 into 2, not 2 into 1. This is 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2. Next elements plus 5 into minus 3 plus 0 into 6. Andra this is first row, third column elements. Got it? So like that we have to do. The next is about the what? The next thing what we have to do here, next thing ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋದ್ ಮುಗೀತು, ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋದ್ ಏನು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 4 into 0 plus 3 into 8. This is what? Second row first column element. Next second row second column, that is 1 into 0 plus ಎರಡನೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ 4 into 5 plus 3 into 1. This is second row second column. ನೋಡ್ರಿ second row ಒಳಗೈತಿ ಮತ್ತು second column entry ಆಗೈತಿ. Like that you have to do the practice. Got it? Next one is about second row third column, that is 1 into 2 plus 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into 6. This is what? Second row third column. Second row third column entries are there. So second row ಎಲ್ಲ column entries ಮುಗ್ದು. Next ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಈಗ third row. Third row again first column, second column, third column. That like that we have to do. 9 into minus 1 plus first element with the first element, second element is second element, third element with the third element, minus 5 into 0 plus 0 into 8. 0 into 8. Next second row, sorry, third row third column. What is third row? 9 into 0 plus minus 5 into 5 plus 0 into 1. The next one, second row, second column is over. So look here, second row, sorry, third row, it is third row, second column, third row, second column entry are there. Third row, third column entries are there. 9 into 2 plus minus 5 into minus 3 plus 0 into 6. 0 into 6. So this is like we have been done the 3 into 3. The next one, the calculation. So after doing the calculation, that what we done, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 5 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0 is, that is 0. I'm sorry, this is 8 into 0 is again 0. So it means, so I will make it correction that one. 2 into 0 is 0, 5 into 5 is 25, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, this is 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, 0 into 6 is 24, 1 into 0 is 0, 5 into 4 is 20, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 1 is 2, 4 into minus 3 is minus 1 is minus 9, plus 5 into 0 is 0, minus 25, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into, sorry, 9 into 2 is 18, 9 into 2 is 18, yeah, correct. Then 5 into minus 3 is 5 into minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15, 0 into 6 is 0. So here I make it correction, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. This is minus 2. 0 plus 25, 25 plus 0 is 25. That is the next one. 4 minus 15 is, that is minus 11. You have to write that minus 11 because bigger one is having a negative. Next, 24 minus 1 is 23. 20 plus 3 is 23. That is 2 plus 2 plus 18. 2 plus 18 is 20. 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. The next, minus 9 plus 0 is minus 9. Minus 25 plus 0 is minus 25. 18 plus 15 is 33. So again, at what we get at the order is 3 into 3. Okay, so here we have been seen that how to do the matrix order is having 3 into 3. Okay, so one more example we'll solve on the order of the 3 into 3. Now the one more example on the matrix order 3 cross 3 is having, where this one, the matrix A is having a 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, minus 1. So we have 3 rows, 3 columns. So the matrix order is 3 into 3. So here matrix B is having the elements 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is also matrix having 3 into 3. Got it? So now it is applicable or not. So because here these both are the same, so we can cancel. So at the last again we are getting 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay, so what is here, what we have to be find out? If A and B are the matrix, we have to find out the BA. BA means B into A. So B into A is equal to matrix B I have written, into I kept the sign, and one more is A I written here. So BA means, so already I told you that we have to follow for the RC method. The row wise from the first matrix and column wise from the second matrix. So first I will take first row, first column element. So how we are going to denote is first element with the first element, 1 into 5 plus 0 into 7 plus 0 into 1. So this is first row, first column element. The next one is first row, second column element. So how many columns are there? That we have to multiply with the first row. That 1 into 4 plus for the second element we have to keep the first, plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 0. This is first row, second column. So look here, this is first row, second column. Because at the last we are getting the 3 into 3 matrix. It means this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. Okay, this is first row, third column. We are multiplying 1 into 6 plus 0 into 9 plus 0 into minus 1. Like that we do the first row, first column, second column and third column. So here all the element entries are in the first row only, because we have taken from the first matrix as the first row. Now second row we are taking, it means all the entries should be present in the second row. It means again what we have to do, we have to do like second row first column. Second row is having element, first element the first one, 0 into 5 plus second element with the second element, 1 into 7 plus 0 into 1. This is second row first column. So look here, this is entries in the second row and in the first column. Next second row second column, 0 into 4 plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 0. This is second row second column. Next second row third column, 0 into 6 plus 1 into 9 plus 0 into minus 0. This is second row third column. Now we come for the, here all the entries of the second row with first, second and third is over. Next we come for the third row, 0 into 5 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into 1. This is third row first column. All the entries should be present in the third row. Okay, here I written this is third row. Okay, next third row second column, 0 into 4 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 0. So this is about the what, third row second column. Next one is about the third row third column, that is 0 into 6 plus 0 into 9 plus 1 into minus 1. So here all the entries are being over. Next we have to calculate, that is 1 into 5 is 5, 7 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 into 5 is 5. Next 1 into 4 is 4, 0 into 8 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, so 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 6 is 6, 0 into 9 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is, that is 6. Next, that is 0 into 5 is 0, 7 into 1 is 7, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 into 4 is 0, 1 into 8 is 8, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 is 8. So 0 into 6 is 0, 1 into 9 is 9, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9 we get here. Next, 0 into 5 is 0, 0 into 7 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is again 1, 0 into 4 is 0, plus 0 into 8 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0, 0 into 6 is 0, 0 into 9 is 0, 0 plus is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So again what we get at the last 3 cross 3 elements. Okay, so dear students, by pausing the video you have to note down the notes, and if you have any queries regarding the matrix multiplication, then you can ask me through the call. So after this example, I am going to provide you some 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrices order in the matrix multiplication as the example. By pausing the video, note down the notes. So even though I will give you some homework after the class, and by watching the video you have to give the attendance also. So thank you very much.